Today I'm going to be picking the American 1100 series. As you can see here, the key does in fact work. I'm going to close that shackle back up and we're going to go ahead and start picking. I'm going to be using top of the keyway tension. And here we go. I re-recorded this audio because I had Spotify playing in the background and I don't want YouTube to get pissed when I'm uploading unlisted videos for a Reddit community. Here at the end I did pull a classic dumbass move and have it picked for a few seconds before I realized that I just wasn't pressing hard enough on the tensioner. And so there I show you a very blurry picture of the keyway, but it was indeed picked, as you saw. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my stuff and try to gut this monster. Screwdriver is from a computer building kit, and it didn't quite want to fit in, but we did finally get that screw out. And here I just let the whole damn thing fall apart in my hands. It worked out though. So step one, I'm going to get that circlip off of there. Only mildly scary thinking about ripping my thumbnails off, but we got it done. Go ahead and put the key in there, and right here you can see me trying not to fuck this up by using the front of a pen body as a follower and making sure to put it in the right place so I don't drop literally everything out of the Bible. I did manage to get the core out without dropping anything. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the pins here. For the key pins, we have a standard for slot number 1, a serrated for number 2, a standard pin for key pin number 3. We have a standard in 4 and a serrated on number 5. Fun fact, using ceramic tweezers to pull out driver pins, not the greatest idea. For the key pins, we had a serrated pin in number 1, a spool in 2, a serrated in 3, a serrated in slot 4, and the 5th pin is also, surprise, serrated. All springs are the same, and we'll speed through putting them in the paper here. And now a super high quality boom shot to show you the pins a little bit better. So as I said before, there are serrated pins in every driver slot except for 2, and the only key pins that are not serrated are 1, 3, and 4 due to how short they are. And so that is my Series 1100 American lock, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.